This big guy's name is Apollo, and he is the biggest cat on the planet.
Apollo is a liger. Now I know you guys have seen tigers and lions and maybe saber-toothed tigers, but this beast, as you can see, is an animal on land. Now the question is, what would this thing eat? I believe he'd eat everything in sight, anything in sight. I think a pack of these could take down a herd of elephants on the regular for a snack. Look at this thing, bro. Such a majestic beast. I mean, can get up to 40 miles an hour in a couple of steps. You're gone. I mean, look at this thing, bro. He can scale a tree. He can jump up there in a heartbeat. Beautiful creature. Straight up prehistoric beast. There. I know you see him. He's a big boy. He's like, I'm on there. Spooky gator boy. Big old gator boy. Big old kitty.
It's like walking with a horse.
Yeah.
Do we want to go through the woods? We want to curve around here?
Yeah, the woods will be fine. This is our good light.
Yeah, buddy. He's the ornament of the butte. You can hear this guy talking to us as we're walking along here. He has this big lion voice where he's kind of going, "Hurrah, hurrah, what are you guys doing? Pushing on me, riding on me, I'm a big liger." They constantly are in communication, just like we would be if we were walking around with each other, talking to each other.
I mean, you gotta think an animal of this mass. Think about how big his lungs are. You know, think about how many breaths he has to take. You know, if we were out of breath, we'd of course breathe heavily. But if we're just chilling, you can hear somebody breathing. But think of a woolly mammoth, of a tiger, of a lion, of a liger. What is he breathing like? He's breathing like this on a regular, because that's how he walks. Look how big his teeth are. They're the size of your middle finger. His tongue, maybe long as your forearm. His lung, probably big as my torso. What do you think he's doing? That's how they breathe.
Get your whole hand lost in one of those ears.
Your whole hand can get lost in his ear. You can't even really grip around his neck to give him a hug. You can ride this thing like a pony. When I think of dinosaurs and prehistoric land animals, this is what you're looking at. The last of its kind, ligers.
He is truly a living prehistoric beast.
I just can't believe this. It makes me speechless.
One of the really cool things about ligers too is that depending on how they were raised and who they were raised with, they can be bilingual. They can totally chuff like the tiger. They have that big chuff like a tiger, and they do the boop 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 like a lion. That's kind of the hello.
That's crazy. They share both characteristic traits.
Yeah, communicate with both sides.
Funny, they see little frogs and stuff.
He's gonna check the pond out.
You going in there?
Maybe catch a toad.
Catch a toad or two. What? You big boy. Man, you big man. You got it. Sweet buddy. Sweet buddy. Let's wait. Let's wait.
How those people smell?
People's feet, huh?
Smells like an elephant butt right here.
Walking around, whatever.
Yeah, it don't matter. He's almost got a different feeling.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Big old monster. Big old monster. Like a boy's being a trooper, we're walking for miles. He says, I'm going with the pride.
Going with the crew.
We're gonna go find us a hippo. We're gonna kill that hippo.
We're gonna eat some rhinoceros for lunch.
Eat 2 hippos.
Hippo for dinner. And we're gonna use the elephants as cinnamon rolls.
Bake chicken.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
Time to cool off after a
boy.
long.
Man, it's crazy how he was telling me how they have that hybrid fur, you know?
Yeah, it's got the greasiness of the lion fur, but it's short and kind of soft like the tiger fur. It's not quite as greasy as the
Oil.
lion where it dreads up. Having a drink, Buffalo? Got that giant tongue going. I wonder if you could probably get a cup per sip, huh? A whole cup per tongue flap.
Oh my goodness.
You wanna lay down? You wanna take a bath?
Lay down in my little jacuzzi tub, man.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's Dustin.
Dustin. Oh, he's like, oh man, that's what I need right there, man. Oh.
Ooh, that big old liger arm.
Tequila. You down, buddy. You like that, bud?
isn't it? It's the first class service here. Look at this foot back here too. That foot is just
Looks like
makes
no
our
size.
hand look like
Your
nothing.
fist can,
This
you can fit
one
2 fists in
toe
there.
is almost as big as my hand.
Get out
Says,
of
don't
there.
touch those toes. Don't touch my tickly toes.
Touch my tickly toes. Big old goober.
The tigers,
Yeah.
the lions don't normally have quite a defined spot like that on his ears. He has a pretty good spot up there on his ears.
Get the cone head. Did you guys know that big, huge lion manes are mainly used for defense? So much testosterone is running through, and male lions fight other male lions 24/7. So a lot of these even have a little small bit of a mane you'll see coming up from their half and half, you know, dating back. Big boy.
The length from the crest of that head to the tip of that nose, every bit of his skull is the size of a human body.
Royal lion, liga is clean, sir. Would you like some grapes, my good fellow, sir?
I'll have a full side of beef, please. I'll take the ribs and all.
Take the ribs.
A cool thing about the tigers don't look up that much. Tigers don't spend a lot of the time looking into the sky. They don't really look at birds as far as I've ever noticed. But the lions are always watching the buzzards.
Such a beautiful animal, man. Such
See
that
the
people.
striping there too. He's got that beautiful striped pattern of his mama and that color of his daddy. Really blends together for an amazing coat.
What a cat, man. What a creature. What a big old boy.
It's multifaceted camo too. You got the stripes to break up the pattern, and then the color to blend in with the grasses. The gold.